I love mornings. Especially like mornings with a cookie.
I've come to really enjoy these mini tours, and I was a bit sad that it was quickly coming to an end. Slow travel by bike, especially in the Yucatan, where the majority of riding is on flat roads, is easily doable, and there is no end to the amount of charming villages to explore.
Okay, leaving Chicxulub. Hello, puppy. Same one. And heading to Chabacal is our first village we're going through. Beautiful day, Rob. My bottom end of my bike is okay. How about yours? Awesome. Okay. There we go. There's Bass Pool. A lot further this part than what I thought it was going to be. There's my husband. Okay then, carry on. I don't know why he's honking. Didn't like that busy road. How about you? No. Yeah, whatever. Now we're on a quiet one. Look at this tree. That's spectacular. Anyways, we're heading now to, this is Temazon, and we are heading to, can't remember the name. Into Chicxulub, where we will be stopping for some breakfast. Yum. Struck out on breakfast in Chicxulub. Having a problem getting food. A lot of places were closed that said they would be open. Last night's supper was 30 tortillas and a bag of beans. But anyways, we stopped here and got ourselves some chocolate milk and a muffin and banana and oranges, and I think that'll get us home. Coming into Seat Patch. And then heading towards Chichi Suarez on the home stretch. And hopefully we'll dump this headwind. Buenos dias. Here's a bike shop in Chichi Suarez if you're looking for parts. We bought tires here. Oh my God.
Getting out of Mérida by bike is easy. Returning is a different story. We have yet to find a good route back into the city if coming from the direction of Chichi Suarez. We have tried different routes, but they are on busy roads with no bike path and involve maneuvering through the dreaded glorietas. Today, the ride into the city was exceptionally busy. We did luckily avoid one glorieta by taking a detour, but the remainder of the ride was not very pleasant.
We're in the Walmart Chicxulub parking lot. Okay, well, we get on right here. Oh my God. Going. Getting hot.